one link. All of you getting one link from spoken tutorial? Yes or no? Yes. After click on that link, you will get one web page on browser. After click on that link, you will get one web page. That name is spoken tutorial. In that web page, you have to enter your username and password that will be generated by spoken tutorial. Okay. So in that web page, you have to write your username is a mail ID. Then after you have to write down your password that is given by spoken tutorial. Okay. If you change your password after processing forgot password, if you change your password, so you have to remember it. If you can't remember your password, so didn't change your password. Okay. Because I can't reset that password. I only reset your institute password, but that spoken tutorial password I can't reset it. Okay. So all of you have to remember your password, otherwise you didn't change your password. Okay. Everyone log in this website. Did you check that website? What type of course are available? Did you check? Yes or no? After filling, yes, after filling username and password, you log in this website. In that website, there are the multiple courses, online courses are available, right? But in that course, we have to enroll one course, introduction to computer. Okay. Because we have to complete this course exam. Okay, it's simple, Kelvin. In that website, there are one search menu available. If you log in that website, in that website, you see one search menu. In that search menu, you have to write course name. See, wait, I check my login. Wait for 1 minute. I find it my mail ID and password. Okay, I get it. My password. Okay, in that spoken tutorial test, you see this type of web page. Okay, in that first you have to enter your username and password. Then after click on login. After click on login, this type of page available are there. You see. Okay, after completing that process, user profile, that process, you see your country. You have to write your country, then state and university name, district, whatever instruction are there. You have to fill that. Then after click on submit. Okay. Otherwise, you directly search here course, all courses. You see this dialog box. In the dialog box, you see all courses here. You have to write your course name. So, introduction to computer. You see introduction to computer. Okay. After click on that course, then after you have to choose here languages. So here you have to choose English. Okay, the in bracket here the one digit are there, that is a 5. It mentioned total 5 videos available for that course. Then after search, after click on search, you see that all the 5 videos. Now get it. Okay, now get it. How, what was the procedure for see the videos? Then after you can see that one by one video. Otherwise we will process after completion our practical number 13. Okay, if you have a time, so you can see there are the other videos are also available. Different courses are also available, you can see. This is a R software, Python language, spoken tutorial technology, skill development. Different courses available are there, you can see and learn. But we have to give an exam for that specific course, introduction to computer. Okay. Now any query or not? Okay, then after we last lecture we discuss about marketing presentation. Okay, what was the marketing presentation? Which type of things we have to add in that presentation? Okay, in today's lecture we discuss about one product. In today's lecture we discuss about two presentation. One is electronics industry and second is a consumer product. Okay, so you can easily prepare your any consumer product presentation easily. So right now I will share you one presentation on electronic industry. Which type of things you have to. Yes, right now, right, not to right now. If you have any time, so you can see that video. But mostly, most of things we already discuss about in our syllabus. So if you can't see that video, so you can see. Otherwise, you can easily attempt that test. That easy because of in our syllabus that all the topics are covered. Okay. Okay, right now I am sharing one presentation on electronics industry. So which type of things you should include your presentation? Okay, it's all the data depends on your topic. If you have prepared any type of presentation, so all the contents, all the data, it's depends on your topic, which type of topic you should selected and which type of things you have to add in your presentation. So first of all, in first slide we have to okay, in first slide you first choose layout of your slide. After choosing your slide layout, then after you choose first slide, in first slide you have to write your topic name. Okay, here I write my topic name is presentation on electronics industry. you can also write only title name, electronics industry. Okay. Then after here, the second box you have to write prepared by या तो presented by, then student name. The next slide is after title. The first slide is you have to write here index, overview, keywords, or objectives. Otherwise you start with your introduction. Okay. Here we choose electronic industry, so you have to write introduction of electronic industry in first slide. You can see here some pictures are available, some description are available. You can also write a description and also add a image. Both options available are there, so you see first, then after we will move to next slide. Only you have to focus a formatting concept in presentation, because that all the contents already available in Google, so you can find that content and write it down in your presentation. But you have to formatting your presentation. In that presentation you can see our description is are not in alignment. You see the starting point and ending point both are different, so you have to select that all the content and justify alignment. Okay, this is not a proper way, but in our presentation we have to make it justify alignment. Okay, can we next, can we go to next? In today's lecture already learn, you have to learn only how to prepare as a presentation and what type of flow in your presentation. Okay, so first slide is objectives या तो index. Then after introduction your topic. This is an introduction. So electronics industry. So you can also write introduction only. Then after in your presentation there are the multiple slides are available for introduction. So the next slide you have to write. Okay, next slide. This is a topic change, but in next slide your presentation is continuous form, so you can write here continue. Okay, CONTINEU, continue form. Otherwise, you can also write it introduction. The next slide is here topic will be changed, so you can write evolution. So here the evolution are there. Electronics industry came is which year, after completion of some years, what was the products are developed, what was the newly techniques arrived. So after 1990s electronics industries are came. Then after 1950s some products are developed and some technologies is arrived. Then after 1960 some devices are developed, new invented devices, analog digital from. Then after 1970s, okay, then after 1960s and 1970s some consumer electronics products are developed. Okay, okay, so this is the evolution. You can also write it down this evolution through graph, chart या graph or any table form. In 90s there are the evolution are there. In 1950 if you choose table form, so 19 then description, 1950 then description, 1960s then description, then 1970s and then description. So there are the two columns and four rows are available. Okay, and if you have to add a chart, graph or chart, so you can also drawing a graph and chart, because we already discussed about how you can draw a chart. Okay, then after you can see in India after evolution, what was the role of in India in electronics product. Okay, so there are the different years. In different years that there are the different electronics item are invented. So here only discuss about TV and radios. You can also discuss about some other electronic device like that refrigerator, AC, some another electronic device. You can also add it, but that item will be consumer product. Okay, see first and read it, then after we will move to next slide after 2 minutes. Okay, done. Okay, the next slide is continuous in India. Which type of segments and components and products are available in India, and which type of things India export to other company, or sorry, other country. Okay, so you can write it down in this format, title form, continuous. Okay, you can see here the some points are in bullet form. Then after another subcategory are also available. So you can see that is mentioned here in other another bullets A B C D E F format. Okay. So in presentation, the most important part is formatting. Okay. Then next, this is also continuous form. Okay, Ellie, you see say the about spoken tutorial videos regarding videos. Because I can't see your shades parallelly. If I see your shades, so your presentation slide will be removed. Alien Filimoon, you say about spoken tutorial video? Yes or no? Okay, the next slide is also continuous form, and what was the products are arriving in market. Okay, don't worry if you get this file type of videos, so I will share you this video. Otherwise, we will see in our lecture. Okay, so don't worry about that exam. Okay, in our presentation, we go through continuous mode. Okay, then after next is challenges. If you sell and buy some products, so all products have some challenges, some advantages, some disadvantages are there. So you have to add that challenges in your presentation. Okay, then after next slide is market size. There are the different slide are there. Here you can see the pictures are available and the description are also available. Your industry is, what was the market and which level you rise in your electronic industry. Okay, then after major players, means which type of electronics company are available. You can also write it down this company name in list wise and also write it down with logo. So here in that presentation we also see some logos, company's logo: Sony, Samsung, Apple, Nokia, and Toshiba. Okay, you can also write it down description means in pointed wise. Then after current scenario, in recently which type of scenario are there. So see first. Okay, then after the next slide, the current scenario is continuous form, or after completion of your presentation you see different website, then prepare your presentation. So you can also add that website name in your presentation, but which format? After completion your presentation overview, your product overview, then after the next slide is references. In that reference slide you can write this link where you can visit. Okay, if you visit this slide, so click on that link and paste on your presentation. Okay, you can add as a reference. Then after the last slide is thank you. Then so this presentation is for any market electronic industry. Now we will go to any consumer item. Here some charts, graphs, and images are also available. So you can see the consumer electronics product business in India. So you can also add logo of your title. You can also add image of your title. You see. Then after prepared by, yeah, presented by. The first slide format is this. Then after next is index. What was the present, what is your presentation and which type of topics covered in your presentation. So here listed out that all the topic. You can also say index, overview, key points, and objectives. There are the different synonyms are there. You can uh, choose any name for that points. So here you can also write it down: objectives, key points, overview, and index. Then after first point is introduction. Then after history, current scenario, stock performance, revenue analysis, bricks and mortar versus online, then government policy. So after next slide you have to discuss about that all the topic. The first topic is introduction, but in that introduction this presentation is not in proper format. You can see here some paragraphs are there. This presentation are not some attractive manners. Okay, so you can write it down that description in uh, bullets form, points form, yeah, bullets form. Then you have to justify alignment. You can see here our starting point and ending point are in same line. So you have to first justify alignment, then all the topics are covered in bullets form. Okay, so introduction portion. Then next slide is are also introduction, so you can write continuous, and some images are also available. First slide is have a description. You see the first slide have some description, then after next slide the image are there. So first read it, then after we will move to next slide. Then the next slide is images. The next is history of that electronics product, consumer product. Because in our index, there are the second point is history. After completion of introduction, you can start history, second point. So here some format are available, that is that point of, as you can see, the bullets are available here. Okay, the next one, current scenario. Okay, we goes to little bit fast. Here stock performance. In previous presentation, we see stock performance is in a description manner. You can also add this type of chart. Okay, which type of chart are there here? We already learned about this chart. Okay, nahi, Ellie, you have to choose that topic by your choice. I am not giving you that topic. Okay, so you can get it that topic by your choice. Okay, you see which type of chart is this? We already discussed about in Excel sheet. There were some data available are in table form, and we have to prepare this type of different chart. So which type of chart? Remember it? Yes, pie chart. Okay, so you can write here, draw here pie chart, line chart, bar chart, whatever chart you draw here. Okay, so draw stock performance here, and then after here a line chart are there. You see the difference between the different is 3 months: January to April, April to July, July to October, and October to again January. What was the difference are there? So you can see by chart. Then after difference here, comparison between bricks and mortar and versus online. Okay, and you can also compare some products in a table form. Here you can see the strengths and weakness. This is a one difference, or you can say comparison. This is another continuous form, opportunities and threats. Okay, some challenges are there. Then after some examples of company. Then after references. In previous presentation, I say you can also add references. What type of references are there? You go to this website for your presentation. So this is the references. In your presentation, if you choose reference slide, so this slide, this font color will be sky blue color. Okay, so no need to change that color. Then after the last slide is thank you. So all of you are getting which type of presentation you have to prepare for practical number 12. You have to choose that consumer product by your choice. I am not giving you some specific topic. Okay, all of you have clear which type of presentation you have to prepare in practical number 12. After completion of practical number 12, after you collection or prepare that presentation, then after I will guide you how you can add animation and clip art. Okay, because in our practical number 12 we have to add animations, some slide and clip art option. Okay, so in next week, our next lecture was on Wednesday. So you prepare first content about your topic. Okay, so in Wednesday lecture you prepare content about your topic. Then after we discuss about how you can add animations and clip art in your presentation. Okay, so anyone have query? So tell me. Otherwise, I will take your attendance. Then after we will leave that meeting. Or all of you write down your roll number and branch name in that chat box. And again, I remind you, those who are not submit me their assignment, kindly submit it first. Assignment 1 and 2. Okay, present number is 55, roll number 10, 56, 12, roll number 12, and 107 and 20. Yes, now you can leave the meeting. Yes, 19 is present. Kelvin, your number is 10, roll number 10, not 19. Yes. Okay, now you can leave the meeting.